In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow CMS to n8n. By the end, your Webflow site's CMS will be securely linked to an n8n workflow, so you can automate tasks like listing collections or creating items without manual work. All you need is an n8n workspace and access to a Webflow project with CMS enabled. Start by opening n8n in your browser and heading into your workspace. Create a new workflow so you're on a blank canvas. On that canvas, click Add First Step. This opens the node selector where you choose the app you want to work with. In the search bar, type Webflow, then click the Webflow node to add it to your workflow. You'll see the node appear with configuration options on the right. This node is what lets n8n talk to your Webflow CMS. Next, choose the action you want the node to perform. Use the action dropdown and pick something that matches your use case, such as listing collections, fetching items from a collection, or creating a new CMS item. Selecting the action early helps n8n show the exact fields you'll need later, and it keeps the configuration focused on your goal. Now it's time to connect your Webflow account. In the credentials section of the node, open the dropdown and select the option to create a new credential. This tells n8n we're setting up a secure connection for the first time. Click Connect My Account. A window will open asking you to authorize n8n with Webflow. Sign into Webflow if prompted, review the permissions and approve the connection. Make sure you grant access to the correct workspace and site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Grant only what you need for the action you selected. It's a good security practice and keeps things tidy. Once authorization completes, you'll be brought back to n8n with your new credential populated. Click Save to store this connection securely. You should see the credential listed in the dropdown, confirming it's ready to use with this node and any future Webflow nodes you add. At this point, your Webflow CMS is connected to n8n. From here, you can continue configuring fields for the action you chose, chain additional nodes, and build out the rest of your automation. If something doesn't behave as expected, double check that you selected the right action and that you connected the correct Webflow site. A quick refresh of credentials or reauth can resolve most mismatches. That's it. Your Webflow CMS is now linked to n8n and ready for automation. Save your workflow and you're set to build powerful, repeatable processes without touching the CMS manually.